Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tips, and today we will cover another video. It is not about technology specifically, it is not about CPUs, GPUs or anything that AMD or Intel is coming up with. It is completely different. Now before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You would be notified whenever I upload any video on the channel. Now today's article is from The Verge and it is uploaded by Micah Singleton, and I'm sorry as always if I'm mispronouncing your name by any chance. So it says the mobile or mobile, depending on where you live, the mobile airbag may be coming to save your phone. Now if we look at this, it will definitely save our phones from breaks, cracks, scratches and all of that. It says people drop and break their smartphones all the time, but German engineering student named Philipp Frenzel may have the solution to save everyone some time, money and unneeded stress. So we all break our phones, and I'm pretty sure I had read an article, I do not know where exactly, but it said that 51% of the iPhone users have broken screens. We are using Gorilla Glasses on our cell phones, and there's a video that I've created. You can check that here at the top right corner. I have checked a lot of articles, and most of the smartphones that we use have broken glasses, scratches, cracks on the bezels, cracks on the cameras. Now this airbag would save your phone from all of that, including the cracks, scratches on your camera lens, to your bezels and your display and touch. There's a video that they have uploaded. Let's check this out. So according to this, whenever you throw your phone, it is in the air, it will automatically open the airbags and your cell phone would not get the impact, so you would not see any cracks, scratches on the display or the camera or the bezel of the phone, which is something really good. I've used a lot of phones. I've used iPhone in I don't know 2013. I've used iPhone 2014. I was using iPhone, then I started using Samsung. I've used Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, Note 8 I'm using at this point in time. I've used iPhone 5 and 4, but this is something that we are all concerned about. We have Gorilla Glasses on our cell phones, but we are still concerned about the cracks, scratches and everything on the lens, on the bezels, on the back glass of the phone and on the display. So this is something which would be pretty amazing. This article is from The Verge, and I would love to see such a technology coming out in the future, and I will go ahead buy that for my cell phone. For any phone that I'm using, I would go and buy this airbag for my cell phone. A student at Ellen University in Germany won an award from the German Veteran Society with a mobile airbag and expect to launch the device on Kickstarter next month. Now this article, if you check this article, it was uploaded on June the 30th 2018, and in India it is July the 2nd 2018. I am uploading the video after 2 days, but we would expect this airbag to be launched this year. We do not know where exactly it would be launched, but I would assume that it would be launched first in Germany and then gradually in the rest of the world. If this product or a similar one like it with an improved design actually makes it to the market, there is no doubt it could help save people hundreds of dollars they would otherwise end up spending on repairs on new devices. The era of cracked screen may be coming to an end sooner than we think. Now, I completely agree to this statement. It will save a lot of money. I am living in India. I was using Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge at that point in time. I had a crack on the screen on the display. Checked with Samsung Service Center and they asked me to pay 14,000 rupees. 14,000 Indian rupees because I'm living in India. It was 14,000 Indian rupees, and at that point in time the cell phone was for 45,000. So they were asking about 1/3 of the price of the phone, which was not acceptable, and I had to actually use the phone as it was. I did not comment on anything. I had to use the phone like it was. But if we get an opportunity to equip airbags on our cell phones, which are in the Indian market, if it is for 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, I would go for it. I would buy that and save my phone, because I know the moment the camera or the display is cracked, I'll have to pay a lot of money. I agree people living in US would pay in dollars, living in India would pay in rupees, and other people living in their countries would pay on a different way. They'll have to pay with a different way, but we will ultimately have to pay if the screen is broken or the camera glass is broken. So a better way would be to equip this airbag, and that would definitely help us to save the cell phone's screen, which is a major concern with all the smartphones that we are using because of the shrinking size of the bezel and our day-to-day usage. So thank you so much for joining. Have a great day. Take care.